Om Swastiastu, hello, welcome to my kitchen. Rainy season is already with us here in Bali, and so this is the perfect time to share a very famous soup recipe to help warm up your day. Kimlo Soup is simply delicious, healthy, clear chicken and vegetable soup. So let's get started. So first thing, I'm going to grill the chicken. So here I'm using chicken breast. You also can change it into beef if you prefer, or prawns. I add some olive oil. You can also use any vegetable oil. And now I'm adding some salt and black peppercorn. To the chicken. The pan is hot enough. Let's grill the chicken. So while we're waiting the chicken, I'm going to prepare the vegetables. Here I'm using broccoli, cauliflower, carrots, ear mushroom, spring onion. So I'm going to cut it into small pieces. You also can use other vegetables, like you can add green beans, asparagus, cabbage, as you wish. Next, I'm going to cut the ear mushroom. Spring onion cut into diagonal. Let's turn over the chicken. It's need for a few minutes to cook through. So now let's prepare the paste. I'm using shallot and garlic, white peppercorn and nutmeg. Cut the shallot and garlic into small pieces. Add the white peppercorn and some water. So I blend it until smooth and let's put it aside. The chicken is cooked. We cool it down and after that, I'm going to shred it. Next, let's prepare the soup. Add some vegetable oil. Add the paste that we have been blended earlier. And I add some nutmeg. The nutmeg is really adding the flavor to the soup. Around half teaspoon. We cook it around 2 minutes, but don't let it burn. And now let's add chicken stock. Add the carrot. And mushroom. I put in a high heat, and when it starts boiling, then I'm going to add the broccoli and cauliflower. So now let's shred the chicken while it's cool. You also can use chunk chicken, or also you can add the chicken into the soup. But the one I like is to grill the chicken first and shredded it and mix it later when you serve the soup. Let's add broccoli, cauliflower, quail egg, cover it and cook for another 2 minutes or until the broccoli is cooked. And now let's add spring onion and some salt. This is optional. Stir it and cook for another 1 minute. Then the soup is ready. Now the soup is ready, so let's plate it. Add some rice noodle, some chicken, and top with the soup. Smells so good. And I add sprinkle of the fresh shallot. Yummy, yummy. So here we are, Soup Kimlo. Thank you very much for watching. Please let me know how your food tastes. And also I'm opening my cooking class in Bali. If you would like to join, please drop me your email. I put my email address in the description below. And again, thank you very much for all your support. Matur suksma. Bye-bye.